everyone, welcome back to another unboxing with Danny and Jaz.
Hi.
And today we are going to be unboxing, it is the BAMBOX. So the BAMBOX monthly subscription, this is their horror BAMBOX monthly subscription. We have also done the pop culture one on our channel, so if you haven't seen that, I'll leave links in the description. This is the horror box. It costs £33 delivered from the US. It contains an autograph, it contains a movie prop, a print and a pin, usually. So, yeah, if you don't know what BAMBOX is, like I say, they offer different, they also, they do, like I say, the pop culture, the horror, but they also do a big box, which is a more higher end box, which is like, yeah, basically a bigger celebrity that signs the, that you get your autograph, basically. So yeah, we have done one of them. We've done a Ghostbusters one. I'm thinking about doing the other one as well. I think it was Galaxy themed. But I'll leave all them links in the description if you want to check them out for yourself. So, themes, Jazz. I won't forget this time. I won't forget. Right. So, themes on this box are... My phone loads up. Right. It is Gremlins, Creepshow, and Better Watch Out. So Creepshow 2, sorry, and Better Watch Out. So I haven't seen Better Watch Out.
All I've seen is Gremlins and that's it.
And I can't remember it's Creepshow. Creepshow. So yeah, we'll just open it and we'll go from there. So I'm sure you'll let me know if we don't know anything. So let's open this box, Jasmine.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Yes.
Open the box.
Box.
Is not. I think it's from there. Is now.
Open.
Yes, indeed it is. I think. Yeah, there you go. Right. Forgot my knife, so I use my scissors. I don't know. Looks like a license plate or something. Oh, this must be off Creepshow.
Yeah.
Bit of a giveaway. So it looks like a license plate. So I honestly can't remember this Creepshow, you know. So obviously, like I said, it's a license plate off a car, must be, or a sign from somewhere. We'll have a look at the spoiler sheet at the end. It'll probably tell us it's good quality though.
Yeah.
That's actually solid, isn't it? That's alright, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Decent. Right. So yeah, vocational land. That's what it says, isn't it? Vocation land.
Vacation
land. Vocation. Oh God, I've only had one coffee today. Anyway, so yeah, that's the first item. So that'll be a movie prop. I say 33 quid for this box. So if you get an autograph, you know how much autographs are in the UK. They start at 20-25 quid. So to get props and stuff like that with an autograph is spot on. So yeah, we'll have a look at the end one we does and have a look.
Next.
So next is thank you. Black paper.
Oh, pin.
So we've got a pin and we've got a limited edition one this time.
No.
Every time we open these boxes now we're like, come on. So we have a pin and as you can see it is Gremlins. Did you like Gremlins when you watched it?
It was weird, but it was alright.
It was alright, wasn't it?
Very weird.
So yeah, is it? I like that.
It's very detailed.
It is very detailed. And solid. Cool. Nice one. Designed by Nick Kokoza.
Got a 1-up card.
Well, nice one. So a 1-up card, if you don't know already, it means you basically your basic pin is upgraded, or your art print is upgraded to a limited number, or for instance, your signature, it might be have a sentence written on or some type of something else rather than just the autograph. Anyway,
this is a picture. This is
so
out
this,
of 500.
Oh, so this is the print. This must have been the upgraded item.
So we got number 394 out of 500. It's hard to see, you know.
It is because it's on dark, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, this print is out of 500. Yeah.
I don't know.
Just not take it out because of the glare from the lights. So, would you like me to read the certificate of authentication?
Yeah.
Authenticity. Right. So it says this art print from our fan art collection titled "Keep Your Eyes Open" has been hand signed by artist Tozy Shannon. Sorry if I butchered that. For the BAM horror box, and is guaranteed to be authentic. So yeah. What's that off then anyway? Let's have a look.
I don't know, it just says you leave, you die.
You Leave, You Die. I can't remember the franchises now.
Is that Creepshow or
Well,
not?
that was Creepshow.
Get Out?
That might be Get Out.
Not Get Out, Better
No.
Watch Out. Get Out is a different one.
That isn't that one where he runs.
Yeah.
Right, anyway. So yeah, that must be from Better Watch Out. I haven't seen that, so... Yeah, because we've got Gremlins, Creepshow, yeah. So... That's alright though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like when we get limited edition ones.
It
It makes
looks
it a little bit
cool
more
as well.
special.
It's a different, like,
Oh,
paint thing. Shocking.
there's no need for that. It's family show. Can't believe you showed it on camera.
Sure. We
Family
are
show?
sure.
Just haven't. Anyway, so the autograph in this box is...
That is cool.
Oh, it's Poltergeist. Oh, I like that. Do you know what? I remember this. This is where he, I think he's in a bathroom, and he like pulls off his face in the bathroom.
Lovely.
Yeah, but it's, do you know, because it's a proper old film, it just doesn't look how horror films look these days. That's why it's awesome. So yeah, as you can see, it's signed in, it's red paint pen, isn't it?
Yeah.
By the looks of it. So yeah, it's the scene where he pulled his face off in the bathroom, in the mirror.
Signed by Marty, someone who played Marty.
So it's signed by Martin Costello, who played Costello, who played Marty in Poltergeist.
Costello.
It's cool.
Tina.
It's. I want to show that guy's face. So yeah, it's that guy. There he is.
There he is.
So that's cool. That's cool. A Poltergeist one.
Yeah.
I like the way it is signed in red. Do you know, like for blood wise?
Yeah.
And it's a decent, not just a initial
Yeah. It's
signature.
full-on
It's
name.
like a full-on name, isn't it? So, which is actually pretty cool. Yeah. So, yep, I'm happy with that. So that was. I'm sure this was box 12.
Yeah.
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 We'll have a look at this cheat sheet and tell us if I know it must be from Creepshow. This, but what does it say?
It doesn't say. It doesn't say what it's from because like I can't.
Yeah.
Can
Yeah. It's a creep license plate, as seen on the 1940s Dodge delivery truck in the 1987 movie Creepshow 2. See, there you go. That's why we have the cheat sheet, which is pretty cool. That's a nice little prop. I like that. Do you know what? This box is spot on.
Loads of different
You
types.
could have got different types of autographs. Do you want to show which ones you could have got? You could have got them different types of prints. Also the...
It's messed up on the sheets in that was out of 50 when that one's out of
500.
50. I mean,
You love getting these numbers right, you.
oh my god.
So yeah, they always have it the wrong way around, don't they, for some reason. But I actually like that one better than that one.
Mm.
But yeah, the pin. You could have got 4 different pins. We just got the common pin. But you could have got the other ones. I actually like this one the best. I'm truthful. If I wanted to get a different one than this, I'd have picked Gizmo. But anyway. But yeah, and you could also go onto their website and enter a competition to get a signed Kane hoodie mask. So down there. So yeah. So like I said, this is box 12 from BAMBOX. I think it's classed as a December box. Like I say, we're in the UK, so it takes a little bit longer to get to us. So yeah, this is, I think it's December box. That's what I'll go for anyway. But let me know in the comments what you thought of this box. Like I say, £33 and you get an autograph and props and stuff like that. I think it's spot on. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you thought. And don't forget to
like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for post notifications, because you'll be entered. I could win a mystery box giveaway at the end of the month.
Yep, and as always, thanks for tuning in to watch us do our thing. We'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, bye.
Bye.